Next, let's crochet scarves for these 4 owls. The crochet methods for their scarves are exactly the same. Only the colors used are different. This brown owl scarf uses black yarn for the starting stitch. Then alternate crocheting with orange yarn on black yarn. For the white owl, alternate crocheting with red yarn on yellow yarn. Toffee owl's scarf is crocheted by alternating green yarn on white yarn. Here, I crochet this gray owl's scarf for demonstration. Everyone can refer to the scarf's crochet method. Use the corresponding colors of yarn to crochet the remaining scarves. Take the yarn of the corresponding color and start with a slip knot. We will work into a chain. First, we place the crochet hook above the yarn. Rotate one circle clockwise. There is a crossing point here. Pinch the crossover point, then yarn over and pull through. Tighten. This completes a slip knot. Next is the chain stitch start. 3 chain stitches. Yarn over the crochet hook and pull through the loop on the hook. This completes 1 chain stitch. A chain stitch also has a V shape when viewed from the front. Yarn over the crochet hook. Pass through the loop on the crochet hook. The 3rd chain stitch. Three chain stitches are completed. Next, work to single crochets in reverse. We insert the hook into the second to last chain stitch to crochet. Let's take a look at the insertion point. This is the last chain stitch. This is the second to last chain stitch. There is a V shape on this chain stitch. We pick the left strand to crochet. Attach the stitch marker. The second single crochet. This completes the first row of crocheting. A second row starts with a chain stitch. Then turn the fabric and crochet to single crochets. 1 chain stitch. Then turn the fabric. Crochet to single crochets. Remove the stitch marker. Place the stitch marker on the first stitch of the second row. The second single crochet. This is what the second row of crochet looks like when completed. Next, we take out another yarn of the color we want to switch to. Wrap it on the hand. Press the yarn end to the back of the fabric. Next, crochet the 3rd row. The 3rd row is to change to the corresponding color yarn. Crochet a chain stitch. Turn the fabric and make 2 single crochets. 1 chain stitch. Yarn over the crochet hook with the color yarn to be changed. This completes a chain stitch. The yarn is also changed. Next, we will tighten the original blue yarn. Then turn the fabric and crochet to single crochets. At this time, place the gray yarn end above the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull out. Remove the stitch marker. The second single crochet. Place the yarn end above the crochet hook. Yarn over and pull out. This is what the third row of crochet looks like when completed. The fourth row starts with a chain stitch. Then turn the fabric and crochet to single crochets. This is what the completed fourth row of crochet looks like. In the fifth row, switch to the corresponding color yarn. Crochet a chain stitch, then turn the fabric and crochet to single crochets. Change to blue yarn. Work a chain stitch first. Then turn the fabric and crochet to single crochets. This is what the completed fifth row of crochet looks like. The sixth row starts with a chain stitch, then turn the fabric and crochet to single crochets. 1 chain stitch. Turn the fabric. Crochet to single crochets. This is what the sixth row looks like when finished. The next crochet method is to crochet 2 rows in gray and crochet 2 rows in blue. Then crochet 2 rows in gray and crochet 2 rows in blue until row 46 is done. Let me demonstrate another set. Switch to gray yarn to crochet. Turn the fabric. Remove the stitch marker. Here is what the 7th row looks like when finished. 8th row is the same. Next, switch to blue yarn and crochet 2 rounds. A set is completed. Please just repeat the crochet in the same way until row 46 is done. Cut the yarn. Cut both strands of yarn. Yarn over and pull tight. Next, thread the yarn end into the sewing needle. Hide the yarn end inside the fabric. Do not cut it in the other yarn end as well. Cut off all the yarn tails. One scarf is finished. We can count the rows. There are a total of 23 sets. This is how a scarf is completed.